How the fuck is Murray gonna get him before me, man? Bullshit.
Let him fuck up so you know what to do.
Everyone, ready to leave service. That's you, Governor, ready to leave service.
All right, leave service when it's ready.
Number one left service, 1313. Number one, reach bottom.
Roger that. Coming down.
Can't help you down your luck. That's my job, man. I was just making sure you did a good job. I just want to do something, man.
Toss it, see if it lands on his head. Yeah, when I looked at the stinger earlier, the stinger was like almost all the way down to the bottom. It was a huge loop.
You're hot.
Yeah, it's ready. Watch your eyes. Make it hot.
Now you're making it hot. That's what I was
Number two on the ladder.
Roger that. Now we're just getting the ladder for the tag block.
You might want the block.
What's that?